The kneading techniques that we will focus on in this lesson are best applied without oil to prevent gliding over the muscles. We want to aim to really squeeze out the muscle tissue, for which we need a good grip. To do this, we want to lift the muscle tissue with the palm of our hand, and at the end of the motion, squeeze it with our entire hand. You can hold the squeeze at the end for a little longer to increase depletion of the muscles. The next technique, which focuses on smaller areas but offers more precise and deeper pressure, is friction. Starting at the middle of the back, make your way up towards the shoulders while holding one shoulder with your other hand to prevent the recipient from being pushed forward. Use your fingertips to make small circles while really digging into the muscle tissue in a pushing motion. To apply this technique on the trapezius muscles, you make a sort of hook with your hand and try to push down vertically into the muscles. Start on one side and always remember to follow up with the other side for symmetry. Due to the intensity of this technique, try to check in with the recipient often to ensure they are still comfortable and relaxed. You can also apply fingertip frictions in a straight line when focusing on the trapezius muscles. When doing so, you have to use your other hand, which functions as a sort of backstop onto which you press the muscles. The pressure should be applied with the pushing hand. You can use multiple fingertips to cover a larger area at once. Try to avoid overextension of your fingers as much as possible.